In this video, we're going to show you how to change the oil on your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. Remove the oil cap. On the cap, it'll tell you which oil to use. Pull the oil dipstick out. This will help the oil drain faster. Using a 14mm socket or wrench, remove the oil drain plug. Before removing the drain plug, be sure you have a collection bucket under you. Remove the old crush washer if it's stuck to the pan. Be sure that you've removed the old crush washer off of the drain plug. Install the new crush washer onto the drain plug. Once the oil is done draining, install the drain plug. Torque the oil drain plug to 28 foot-pounds. You're going to spray a rag with some parts cleaner and clean down the area. Remove the engine oil filter. We're going to get the oil filter loose and let it drip. Remove the oil filter. Take a bit of clean engine oil on your finger, wipe it around the seal. You can also put a little bit on the threads if you have any extra. Install the oil filter. Get it nice and snug. Fill the engine with oil to the manufacturer's specification. Install the oil cap. Pull out the dipstick, clean it off, reinstall, pull it out. Make sure you see the oil level on the dipstick. You can see ours is higher. We're going to start our vehicle and let it run for a minute or two, get it circulating through the filter. We'll turn the vehicle off and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then recheck our oil level. Before starting the vehicle, be sure the dipstick is installed. Once you've let the vehicle run and the oil is drained back, remove the dipstick, wipe it off, reinstall, pull it back out, check the oil level. We have our high dot here and our low dot here, and we're right at this top dot, which means we're good to go. Anywhere in between these two dots is good. The closer you can be to the higher, the better. Reinstall the dipstick, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.